Welcome to this Mastering Mathematics video. This problem comes from the PSIA District 2024 contest for math grades 6 through 8. It was problem number 37. It says, which type of function models the data in the chart? So you have x and y values, and you want to know if this data is exponential, quadratic, linear, or cubic, or some other model. So there's a couple of tricks to figuring out what function can model the data. So let me go over those with you real quick. So the key to determining function models is called differences. So what you want to do is you want to take differences. Differences are just when you subtract. Between consecutive y values. Until they are the same. And so if you have to go one round of taking differences until you get all the same number, then the function must have been linear. And in fact, that difference number that is all the same has to be the slope. If you have to go 2 rounds before they're all the same, then it's quadratic. And if you go 3 rounds, it's a cubic function. Now, the part about it being consecutive means that you have consecutive x values here. So notice that we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we can do this trick with the differences. So let me write out the numbers here. So we've got 0.6, 3, 15, 75, and 375. So I'm going to do the differences between these consecutive numbers. And so 3 minus 0.6 is 2.4. 15 minus 3 is 12. 75 minus 15 is 60. And 375 minus 75 is 300. Notice that these numbers that we just produced are not the same, so we know that it is not the linear model. But maybe it's quadratic. Let's go ahead and do some more differences here. And notice you get it. You end up with one less number each time you do differences. So 12 minus 2.4 is 9.6. 60 minus 12 is 48. And 300 minus 60 is 240. Again, they're not the same. That was the second round. If they were the same, it would have been a quadratic function. But since they're not the same, it's not quadratic. Maybe it's cubic. Let's go ahead and take some differences again. 48 minus 9.6 is 38.4. And 240 minus 48 is 192. So they're not the same. So it's not cubic either. So we're out of choices for the polynomials, but maybe it is exponential. So how can we tell if it's exponential? So it will be an exponential model. And the trick there is, instead of taking differences, take quotients between consecutive numbers. Quotients. If the quotients are all the same, then the model is exponential. And so let's go back to the chart here. And I'm going to take the quotients. So 3 divided by 0.6, that's equal to 5. 15 divided by 3 is also 5. 75 divided by 15 is 5. And 375 divided by 75 is also 5. Since they are all the same, then we conclude that this is in fact an exponential model. And that's the answer to this problem. Thanks for watching.